make a beautiful makeup today. It's a beautiful poppy eye, little acidy colors, a little yellow and a little apricot, and kind of on fire in the prettiest way. And then we finish with this beautiful pop lip of NARS Shab that is shocking pink and magic. So thanks for watching.
Lovely.
You are. We've got this drama eye, but your skin is still bare and see-through, and we see all this gorgeous skin and life to you. It's really sweet. Thanks.
Sexy.
Mm-hmm. So we're going to use my favorite concealer, which is the Charlotte Tilbury. It's beautiful. You paint it on. It's exactly like the CHIC. I think it's a little bit softer and a little bit creamier than the CHIC. So here we go. And I'm keeping everything soft and pretty. And a little bit of YSL. Oh, it's the bomb. So
Lovely.
beautiful. We're gonna do what I call the cheek trifecta. It is, first we've got the gorgeous contour, then we've got the loving sunshine right there with it, and then we need the little bit of highlight for magic, and that is Burberry Fresh Glow. It's a gorgeous product. Put it on your Christmas list because it is magic. It's a cream. And it just draws in the light in a gorgeous way.
Wow.
Beautiful, right? I love it.
It's magic.
And it's, you know, it stays a little liquidy. One of Marilyn Monroe's secrets was always a little bit of Vaseline on the lid, or a little bit of Vaseline right there, just because all of a sudden keeping that kind of liquid form on your skin, it just is youth. It's beautiful, and it captures that light and just draws it in. Beautiful. So pretty. The most gorgeous lip in the world for Girls' Night Out holiday is Schiaparelli from NARS.
Ooh.
And it is heaven. It is named after the legendary designer Elsa Schiaparelli, and it's shocking pink.
Wow.
So pretty. It's gorgeous. Do you love it?
I love it. Rockin' on. Ta-da!
Wow. So so beautiful.
I love it.
I
Thank
love
you,
it.
Scott.
Thank you, G. So we have a beautiful lip, we've got a beautiful face, it's girls' night out. G is rocking it and powerful and holiday. And G, thank you so much for being here with me.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for watching.